Ever pondered how the digital world could potentially ignite curiosity in the minds of the future Einsteins and Curies? Greetings, Reality Radar family. Welcome back to another intriguing episode. I'm your host, Lovish, and today we're venturing into the world of science, asking a fascinating question. Can watching science experiments on YouTube spark interest in STEM fields? Before we delve into this exciting topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our thought-provoking discussions. YouTube has transformed itself into a global classroom, with channels dedicated to everything from cooking to coding, painting to physics. But today, focus narrows down to the impact of this platform on the interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, popularly known as STEM. Consider the story of Dr. Sarah, an exuberant physicist. A decade ago, Sarah found herself disheartened by the lack of interest in her students for the subject she adored. Determined to show the world how fascinating physics could be, she turned to YouTube, starting a channel where she could showcase fun, engaging experiments. Her first video, a simple demonstration of how a potato could generate electricity, barely drew 100 views, but Sarah didn't lose heart. She kept at it, posting videos about everything from the physics of rainbows to the principles behind roller coasters. Gradually, her channel started to gain traction. Students from around the world started tuning in, captivated by her easy-to-understand explanations and fun experiments. Her subscribers ballooned from 100 to 1,000, then 10,000. And today, Dr. Sarah's channel boasts over 1 million subscribers. But the real triumph isn't in the numbers, it's in the comments. Students expressing their newfound love for physics, teachers thanking her for making their job easier, and parents appreciating how their children now look forward to learning science. So, what does this tell us? It demonstrates the immense potential of platforms like YouTube in sparking interest in STEM fields. With the right approach, the digital world can indeed be a powerful tool to ignite curiosity and foster a love for learning. But this isn't just about YouTube or Dr. Sarah. It's about recognizing the potential of digital platforms in redefining education. It's about understanding how these platforms can make learning engaging, accessible, and fun. The implications for STEM education are significant. It means that educators need to rethink their strategies, leveraging digital platforms to engage students. It means that students have a plethora of resources at their fingertips, ready to be explored. In conclusion, platforms like YouTube are not just about entertainment, they're powerful educational tools that can inspire curiosity and foster a love for learning. So the next time you find yourself on YouTube, remember that you're not just a viewer, you're a learner in a global classroom. And who knows, you might just stumble upon your own Dr. Sarah, ready to ignite your curiosity and inspire a love for STEM. If you've enjoyed this scientific journey with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more mind-expanding content right here on Reality Radar. Until next time, this is Lovish, signing off.